Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin in the Layout tab. Open the layout with your drawing sheets. First, double-click inside the viewport to make model space active within the layout. This lets you zoom the model without changing sheet elements. Once inside, use the mouse wheel or the Z command to zoom, hold the wheel for panning. Make sure the status bar displays the desired annotation scale so viewports snap to standard scales. When satisfied, click outside the viewport to deactivate it. Once done activating the viewport, you control zoom precisely using commands. Type Z for zoom, then W for window to define a specific area, or enter a numerical option like 1/8xb to apply a layout scale. This matches paper units. You can also open properties while the viewport is active and set the standard scale field. This avoids overzooming. If you need to center a detail, pan with the wheel and then reapply the scale so the printed output remains accurate. To finish, exit the viewport by clicking outside and lock it via the right-click menu or properties so nothing shifts during edits. Then run region or regional to refresh display and ensure hatch and line weights plot correctly. If the scale looks off on paper, re-enter the viewport, type Z then 1/1xb or the exact scale value, and verify the annotation scale. One key troubleshooting tip. If zoom behaves oddly, toggle the viewport lock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.